Hello everybody, welcome to Hard Enduro Media, the first report of 2019. We're at the Valleys Extreme, a two-day event. This afternoon we've just seen some qualifying for tomorrow's main event. It's a two-race format. We've got a 2-hour race in the morning, that's Sunday morning, and then a 3-hour race in the afternoon with the pro class riders taking part. And this weekend we've got Jonny Walker back. It's his first race back since his crash in Poland at Megawatt in the World Enduro Super Series, so we're looking forward to chatting with Jonny. I'm here with Eurotech KTM this weekend. Lots happening this year. We've got Travis Teasdale now on board with Eurotech, so hopefully he's going to be riding at Tong next week. But we're now going to have a chat with Jonny Walker, see what his thoughts are for 2019 and see how his recovery is going. Let's go. Hello everybody, welcome back. We're just with Red Bull Factory rider now, Jonny Walker. Jonny, great to see you. And before we start, it's fantastic to see you back racing. An incredible sort of injury you've had last year, but how are you?
Yeah, I'm good. It's not too bad. It's been tough, you know, trying to get back from injury, but it's racing at the end of the day, and it is what it is. But I'm happy to be back, and it's cold here, but it's not too bad.
Just talk me through what happened in Poland at Megawatt. I mean, we've all seen the footage, but you know, from your perspective, how was it? What went on?
Yeah, basically, I remember coming out of the corner just before it happened, and I remember hooking all the gears, and I was in top, you know, I was in a high gear in case something happened. I needed to wheelie it or something. I could do that, but I hit something under the, I guess like a bit of concrete under the thing, and there was nothing I could do about it. I just hit it, and with me hitting that, it just threw my weight forward over the front of the bike, and yeah, I just went over, crashed, and yeah, it was quite bad. I went to see the doctor for my last X-ray about 6 weeks ago or something, and he said like it's really good. He said like, do you realise how bad your wrist actually was, because it was an open fracture and stuff like that. So yeah, to be back already, I'm really happy. I'm not where I want to be, obviously, but I'm just happy to be back riding.
Now, we spoke before Christmas in the workshop at Eurotech, and really these events, what you're doing now prior to the West, are like building blocks now, aren't they, just to get your strength back? Yeah,
basically coming here, I've said I want a top 5. That's all I'm going for, you know. And then we've got Tong, probably Alès, you know, like a few races just to because it's hard when you're practicing to get, you know, the same intensity for the same amount of time. You know, if you're practicing, it's difficult to do a 3-hour race, you know, when it's raining or something. Whereas if you're at a race, you've got to do it. So yeah, that's my plan, just to do as many as I can. Just I'm gonna do like the next 5 weeks of racing, and then I can see where I'm at then, and then we know what we've got to do.
And just looking on 2018, at that pinnacle point where you got injured, you were leading the World Enduro Super Series, weren't you? Mm-hmm. Must have been absolutely devastated when that happened.
Yeah, it was. But I remember getting in the ambulance when we were driving away, and I remember just thinking how lucky I actually am, you know, to be walking away from the crash. So, you know, it's racing at the end of the day, nothing you can do about it. And obviously I was gutted, and yeah, it is what it is, and I'll be pushing to fight for it this year.
And obviously Billy Bolt went on to win that, but look at Billy now. We know Billy's injured, and if Billy's watching, get well soon, mate. We are thinking about you, and we just want to see you back racing as soon as we can. But yeah, it's just amazing what can happen, isn't it, in this sport?
Yeah, especially now, you know, I speak to Billy a lot, and it's shit, you know, what's happened to him, and I don't want anyone to get injured, because I know what I've been through myself with injuries in the past. You don't want any of your competition to get injured. But yeah, the way the sport is now, it's so fast, and it's the same like Dakar. Like they're all saying at the moment that Dakar is too fast, which it is. You know, the level gets better, bikes get better, the full speed gets faster. So yeah, my injury is definitely not going to be the last one I'm going to have, and you know, Billy's isn't for him. So it is what it is, and yeah, we're just going to be fighting for win, whatever.
Let's focus on this weekend now. We've seen you out on the practice today. Well, the prologue as it is. It's been a practice sighting lap and then 2 fast laps, and it ended up with a 5-bike shootout, didn't it? And it went quite well for you.
Yeah, it was good. Qualified fastest, got the whole shot, and won the race. But it was only like a 5-minute race. So tomorrow's going to be different. I think we've got 3 hours ahead, maybe more. You know, with depends how it plays out, and supposedly there's going to be a lot of pushing, so we'll see. My pushing isn't strong at the moment with my wrist, but no, I'm just looking forward to going out there and having a good race. It seems well organised here, so I'm looking forward to it.
Thank you, John. Thanks very much. That's it from me at the moment. Here's some highlights from today. We'll be back tomorrow at the Valleys Extreme, the main event, so stay tuned to Hard Enduro Media. 3, 2, 1.
First race win of 2019 in the book.
Slow that guy! Oh!